Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove your YouTube account from other devices. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your YouTube application, and then in this interface at the bottom right corner you need to click on U option. After that, in this interface under your name of your channel, you need to click on the Google account button. After that, you need to swipe to the left this list of options and then click on the security button. Then you need to scroll down and find your devices section. All you need to do is to click on manage all devices, this blue button. And after that, you will see all devices you synced in. You can click on any device you want, for example on this one, and then click on Sing Out button if you want to sing out. So and that's all, and that's how to remove your YouTube account from other devices. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.